Beyond augmented reality, beyond even virtual reality, Picture This has developed a new reality using groundbreaking technology to help bring back the best of good old-fashioned selling. We have perfected the process of creating high-quality, affordable digital product catalogs and maximize that investment by making them accessible not only in augmented reality applications, but also in an orbital product viewer and revolutionary 3D room planner. Welcome to RE3D Showcase. Fun and easy to use. It's a new standard in product visualization and three-dimensional design. Available in-store and online on all devices in your website or ours. Just click on a product and a fully customizable interactive orbital viewer appears. But that's not all. Customers can scroll through every possible fabric and finish option. They can toss and tumble the product and view it from every angle in the orbital viewer and zoom in for a closer look. We share inspiring stories about the passion and integrity behind your brand in a way second only to good conversation, building lifelong connections and customer loyalty. This is where the fun starts. Our exclusive three-dimensional room planner is unlike anything currently on the market. A simple click starts a fun 5-step process that will transport the product into the customer's own living space. You can return to any step at any point to make changes without losing your design. Let's get started. You can choose to see a room fully staged using the products you have chosen. Select and size a predetermined shape, and presto, your product appears in your room. Or draw your room from scratch. It's as simple as clicking corners on a grid. Click and drag a wall to define the size of your room. When you select a wall, a diagram appears at the right of the screen. Click an arrowhead for precise measurements. Curved and vaulted walls make things really interesting. Second, select a windows or a door option from the carousel at the bottom of the screen. Then click the wall where you would like to place it. Place and resize windows and doors by clicking the arrowheads. Painting the walls and changing the flooring is as simple as clicking an option in the carousel at the bottom of the page, and then clicking a wall or the floor. Voila! You're ready to furnish your room. Find the perfect spot for your selection. And then complete your room with other products from the carousel. View options include bird's eye, top down, or walk inside. At any point, you can log in to save or retrieve a design, create a wish list, or share it on social media. Of course, buying the product is as easy as clicking a button. With full integration to all leading e-commerce platforms, we create replicas of entire homes and offices that can be delivered to your customers fully staged with your product. But that's a whole other video. Take a step inside and follow the footprints, then give us a call.